There are a lot of habits which I found I normalize into my life which are not good. I decided to set them down. I changed the way I see them. And today I'll be sharing guys with you 6 habits which completely changed my life. Without jumping around, let's jump into today's video. Number 1 habit which completely changed how I see life and turned me into the woman who I always procrastinated is making my bed before anything in the morning. When I wake up in the morning and I just go to the washroom, I get occupied with other activities. I forget that there is a place that's very sensitive to me I need to clean. This is the false habit. When you try to make it as a norm, it will destroy your vibes of the day. So I now try to make my bed as soon as possible. As I wake up in the morning, the first thing is to do my bed. That gives me kind of a vibe that, hey, it's a very beautiful day and the day is ready to start, because you just made a small win even though the day did not begin. The second habit which completely shifted my mindset is cleaning the kitchen before sleeping. I used to leave my kitchen in a very condensed form where everything is just on top, because I say I'm so tired of the day, I would like to rest and I'll do this next day. I didn't know that I am accumulating activities which I won't handle tomorrow, and it will bring me a bad vibes in the morning. But since I set this non-negotiable goal for my life, I realized that there is kind of a special feeling I'm having even before sleeping. I feel like, wow, I'm going to bed, but everything is clean. My kitchen is well organized. I don't have to rush in the morning when I prepare my baby's food. If you are type of a person who wakes up in the morning and you just suddenly have that bad vibes because everything looks so tense that you can't even start doing something for yourself, like a tea or something, please try to sleep when the kitchen, or at least the kitchen counter, is clean. This point shifts us to the third point, which is to not eat until I am 100% full. Due to the fact that now my boyfriend cooks so well, I am so addicted to his food, and when I eat that so much. This is a bad behavior. I now learn to appreciate that the food is so delicious, but my stomach needs space. I don't have to eat like tomorrow is the third world war or something will happen to me that I won't get food anymore. Everything needs balance into our lives, and appropriate way of doing things is a moderate way. And the fourth habit, which I really enjoy doing it right now, is to clean my teeth before sleeping. I am type of a person who has been facing a lot of problems with my teeth, and I could say that I don't have the perfect teeth on this planet, but I'm trying to keep the teeth which I'm having right now by cleaning them regularly, going to the dentist and see what are the possibility for me to still keep my teeth in a good way. Not everybody will have the same genetics as you. Others have good, others have bad, but it depends on how you take your problem and you carry it. So for me personally, I've been visiting for my whole life dentist, and I know exactly that I need to work on my teeth. And there is kind of a vibe when you sleep with a clean mouth. You don't wake up like you woke up from a cave. I think even cave people smells good. I don't know. You woke up like I don't know even where you slept. So that's the only way to keep yourself in a nice and welcoming way. Another point is hair, the wash day routines. I am kind of sensitive to my hair. When it comes to extensions, I am so irritated when I do extension and they stay more than 3 weeks on my head. I feel like for me it's really nice when I just get rid of my hair after 2 weeks, because I actually do my own hair. That's much hard for me to wow, am I cute? Thank God. It's not that much hard for me to redo the hair after 2 weeks. So I really tend to get irritated easily when my hair stays for long. This hair which I'm having right now is almost 4 weeks, and it's the first hair which I stayed for a long period of time with it, but because I really invested time in washing it and trying to keep it for long, that's the reason of it. But today is the last day I'm having this hair. I will be redoing my hair this weekend and I'm super excited. So I washed this hair 2 times within these 3 weeks or almost 4 weeks, For the hair part, I went a little bit longer because it's kind of a sensitive thing to me. I am not fixed to hair. I can easily change my hairstyle as long as I want. When I wake up in the morning and I feel like I want to be bald, I'll be bald. When I wake up in the morning, I say I want to be like how I want to be, I will be that way. For me, hair is not an attachment thing to my soul that I need to keep it, I need to worship it or something, but I really like to enjoy exploring more and playing more with a lot of different types of hair. Last habit which completely transformed my mental situation and my mental health is to stay connected. I don't mean to be on social media all the time trying to text people and trying to be active in any type of way. I mean that you should pick the people you want to interact with. For example, me personally, I pick some people who are really important into my life. There is my close friend, which I will share a lot of things with them. And there is my partner, there is my child, there is my family members, which I really appreciate talking to them every time. So I spend more time on checking to them to see how they are doing and how they are feeling. But I'm still keeping my boundaries, knowing that if I give what I want to give to them to the extent that they see exactly I am doing it and I get something in return, because that's the communication. You can't just be texting people and be ghosted for 3 months and keep texting them and keep texting them. You have to keep your own values on what to tolerate and what to not tolerate. So if you engage, if you are happy to engage with everybody you know online, even though they are not your closest people, you can keep doing it. And if you want to keep it more personal and more like a self-love thing where you really try to communicate every single day with the people you really like to communicate, that's one of my habits I am trying to adapt to, that I can be living a fulfilled life in this life. Apart from that, I'm still learning. After turning 30, a lot of things changed and shifted into my life. So if this content has aligned with you in some way, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below. I'll be reading guys with you. Thank you so much for watching guys this video until to the end, and then I'll see you until the next one.